Have you ever gazed at a set of parallel bars, those simple yet intriguing structures that seem to beckon to you from the corner of a park or gym? Perhaps you've seen people effortlessly dipping their bodies up and down, their muscles engaged in a fluid symphony of motion. In that moment, have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of this seemingly straightforward exercise? What if I told you that those dips, those graceful movements, hold within them a treasure trove of benefits for your body? Today, my friend, we're embarking on a journey of discovery, exploring the world of dips, unraveling their secrets, and delving into the transformation that unfolds when you commit to doing just 10 dips every day. Get ready, because this journey is about to change the way you view fitness forever. The unveiling of dips magic. Let's start with the basics. What are dips, and why should you care? Dips aren't just another exercise. They're a doorway to building strength, power, and an incredible sense of accomplishment. Imagine a movement that doesn't just target your chest and shoulders, but engages a symphony of muscles from your core to your upper back. Dips are the embodiment of functional fitness, training your body to work in harmony, not isolation. But there's more to them than meets the eye. The hidden allure of stabilizing muscles. While the primary allure of dips lies in their chest and shoulder engagement, there's an equally fascinating undercurrent, the activation of stabilizing muscles. As you gracefully dip and rise, your body enlists these stabilizers to maintain balance and posture. It's like a secret dance, your muscles communicating and coordinating to hold you steady. And let's not forget that dips work your chest at a whole new angle, one that traditional bench presses and push-ups rarely touch. It's like discovering a whole new dimension of muscle engagement. Building bridges, neuromuscular connection. But the magic doesn't stop there. Dips hold a unique power, the ability to forge a stronger connection between your brain and your muscles. Think of it as learning a new language. Your brain communicates with your muscles more effectively, resulting in better muscle activation and coordination. This, in turn, translates to accelerated muscle growth and enhanced strength in other exercises. Dips become the maestro conducting the orchestra of your fitness journey. A symphony of muscle engagement. Now let's zoom in on the details. Which muscles do dips work? Of course, the pectoral muscles and triceps are the main stars of the show, but the supporting cast is just as vital. Your trapezius, the muscles of your shoulder girdle, your abs, and your upper back all join the performance. This isn't a solo act. It's a grand ensemble, working in harmony to sculpt your physique and enhance your overall strength. The artistry of technique. But how do you perform dips with finesse? It's not just about moving up and down, it's about mastering the dance of technique. Visualize this. As you descend, your body angle should be around 15, 30 degrees from vertical, not rigidly perpendicular to the floor. This strategic shift ensures optimal load distribution across your muscles. And for an extra dash of engagement, keep your abs activated and gently draw your legs toward your waist at the lowest point. Navigating the maze of mistakes. As with any journey, dips aren't without their pitfalls. The most common misstep is partial dips, where your shoulders hover above or align with your elbows. This cheat robs your chest muscles of the full benefits. And watch those elbows. They should be tucked in close, not flaring out to the sides. Here's a pro tip. Ensure your shoulder blades draw together at the lowest point to safeguard your shoulder joints from unnecessary strain. The resonance of static variation. And now, for a new dimension of dips, the static variation. Imagine holding your body steady at the top position, like a plank for your dips. This isn't just an exercise in endurance. It's about activating both fast twitch and slow twitch muscle fibers, ensuring balanced growth and development. As we conclude this expedition, remember that dips are more than a mere exercise. They're a gateway to strength, coordination, and a deeper connection with your body. So take the plunge, incorporate dips into your routine, and witness the transformation that unfolds within you. And as you continue on your fitness journey, remember to explore our other videos on this channel. The links await you on your screen. Thanks for embarking on this adventure, and until our paths cross again, embrace the power of dips and revel in the journey toward a stronger, more resilient you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informational videos like this. Hoping you're having an amazing day today. See you in the next video.